Wala ka ba talagang experience or never ka palang nakapag-work online? Hi, my name is Mary and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong videos na pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. We always get this comment na kasi wala akong experience. Lalo na sa live, tas biglang, are you sure na never ka pa nag-work? Nag-work po ako ng 10 years sa BPO or 15 years na po ako sa government or meron ako negosyo ng ganito katagal. And I'm like, that is experience. I'm not sure why a lot of people think na when you say experience, it's different kapag ka online at saka sa corporate. The only thing that you need to remember is this. Pag magsisimula ka pa lang, kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa labas, yun yung magiging selling point mo pag magsisimula ka pa lang as a freelancer. But it doesn't necessarily mean na wala kang experience. Now,